Hello, everyone. Hello,
Hello.
and
And
for today, and
for today, and
hello,
hello,
kids. How are
great,
you
hello,
today?
kids. How are you
Let me
today?
introduce myself. I am
Let me
Elvira
introduce myself. I am
from
Elvira
a
Joy
student from
Elabuke from a
2.1B
student from
and
2.1 Bliss.
countless
I am
second
current
year student.
countless second year student,
And for today class, we will talk
and
about
for
the
today
shepherd
class we
boy
will
and
talk
the
about the
wolf.
shepherd boy and the
So
wolf.
let me ask you
So
for today
let me
class.
ask you
How are you
for
today?
today
And
class. How are you
first, let's
today?
wave to
And
each other
first,
and
let's
give
wave to
our
each
brightest
other
smile.
and give our brightest smile.
First, we will have our
First, we will
prayer
have our
for this
prayers
class to
for
be
us,
blessed.
for this class to be blessed.
Yan.
Yan.
Let's all put our
Let's
hands
all
together
put
for
our
a
hands
short
together
prayer.
for a short
Thank you,
prayer.
God, for all the wonderful
Thank you,
things you
God,
have
for
made,
all the
like the
wonderful
sun, the
things
sky,
you have
and
made,
the
like the
people
sun, the
around us.
sky, and all the
Thank you
people
for our
around us.
teachers, our
Thank you
friends,
for
and
our
for giving us
teachers,
the
our
chance to
friends,
learn
and for giving
today.
us the chance to learn today. Amen.
Now,
Now,
let's say good morning,
let's
Teacher
say
Joy,
good
and
morning,
give
Teacher
me a
Joy,
thumbs
and
up
give me a
if
thumbs
you
up
are a,
if you are
um,
a,
if you are
or
ready for our
if you
today's
are ready for
class.
our today's class.
Just for a quick
And
review,
just for
last
a
time
quick
we talked
review,
about
last
being
time we talked
honest,
about being honest,
and
and
can can anyone
can
tell me what
can anyone tell me
honest means?
what honest
And if you
means?
have an answer,
And
raise
if
your
you
hand
have an
or
answer,
use the
raise your
hand
hand or
emoji.
use the hand emoji.
That's true.
That's true.
How Mary? We have
Mary,
uh
we have
we have one
we have
here,
one here,
and
and
that's right.
that's
Honest
right.
means
Honest
being
means
tell,
being
telling
tell,
truth,
telling truth,
telling truth,
telling truth,
telling about
telling
truth or a
telling about
fact.
truth or a fact.
Now,
Now,
for
for
objectives for our class,
objectives for our
first, we
class,
will identify
first,
the
we will identify
characters,
the
setting, and the
characters,
important events of
setting,
the
and the
story.
important events of the
Second,
story.
you will
Second,
share experience
you
about
will share
honesty and
experience
telling
about
truth.
honesty and telling truth.
And class, as
And
for our
class,
activity, you will
as for
draw your favorite
activity, you will
part
draw
or
your favorite
characters
part
in the
or
story.
characters in the story.
But we will have first
But we
for
will have first
motivation
for a
for this
motivation
class.
for this class.
You'll just playing
We'll
song,
play. You'll just playing
Old
songs.
MacDonald with
Old
Safari
MacDonald
Animal.
with
Hehe.
Safari Animal. Hehe.
Yeah. Let's sing
Yeah.
along and
Let's sing
do the
along
sounds
and do the
together.
animals dance together.
My God, I think there's
Oh my God, I think
there's something wrong. Yeah.
Sige na. Sige na.
Iya, iya, iya.
Iya, iya, iya.
I think there is some flying happening. There's some problem happening. I think there that's
I think that's
and that's all for our
and that's all for
energizer.
our energizer.
Mawag ka. Ano ba nagmalat?
Mawag ka. Ano ba nag-record ako?
Wala!
Wala!
Goodness.
My goodness.
Kita.
Record kita.
Yan.
Yan.
See, let me show you
Okay,
some pictures.
let me show you some pictures.
In this slide,
In this
What-
slide, what
what do you see in this picture?
what do you see in this picture?
Oh, there's someone racing.
Oh, there's someone racing.
That's right.
That's right.
The baby
And
animal in this
The
picture
big
is a
animal
wolf.
in this
Then
picture
let's
is
go to
a
another
wolf.
slide.
Then let's go to another slide.
In this slide, what
In this slide,
animal can you see?
what animals can you see?
Ah, that's right.
Ah,
Sheep.
that's right. It's a sheep.
If you combine
If you
the
combine
picture
the
in this
the picture
in these slides,
in
you will
these
see a sheep
slides,
and a wolf.
you will
But
see a sheep and
who
a
do you
wolf.
think
Who do you think
are these animals?
are these animals?
What are they?
What are they?
What are their
What
are
their
their
what are their
ano sa tingin niyo yung
ano sa tingin niyo yung maging
ano nila sa kwento today?
ano nila sa kwento?
And what do
Today.
you think happened if
What do you think happened if
what do you think will happen in the
what do you think
story?
will happen in the story?
I think you don't have any
I
idea,
think
right?
you don't
I
have
don't have
any
an
idea, right?
Also,
I don't have an idea, right? Also,
as for us to know
as
the
for
story, we
for
will
us to
read
know the story, we will read
story
the
titled
story titled
titled "The Shepherd
titled
Boy and the
The
Wolf."
Shepherd
I'll
Boy
read
and
it
the Wolf.
while you're looking at
I'll
the
read it
picture
while you're looking at the picture
of the shepherd in the wolf.
of the shepherd
Just,
and the
just
wolf. Just,
ano lang,
just
just
ano,
for you to imagine
just for you
their,
to imagine their,
just for you to imagine their
just for you to imagine
looks,
their
right? Yeah,
looks, right?
just imaginations.
Just imagination.
I think.
I think.
Before we read the story,
Before
I
we
have
read the
a
story, I
question
have
here, a motive
a
question
question
here
here, a motive
to
question
answer.
here
But we'll answer
to
this.
answer.
We'll
But
answer
we'll
this
answer this.
in our
We will answer
discussion.
this in our
Now,
discussion
let's
later.
read the story.
Now, let's read the story.
Let's read the story. Now we have the digital
Now we
copy of
have
the story,
the
The
digital
Shepherd Boy
copy
and the
of the
Wolf. Let
story,
me
The
read it
Shepherd
first.
Boy and the Wolf. Let me
A
read it
shepherd
first.
boy tended his
A
master's
shepherd
sheep near
boy
a dark
tended his
forest not
master's sheep
far from
near
the
the dark
village.
forest not far from the
Soon he
village.
found life
Soon
in the
he
pasture very dull.
found life
All
in the
he could do
pasture
to
very
amuse
dull.
himself
All he could
was
do
to
to
talk to
amuse
his dog
himself
or play on
was
his
to talk to
shepherd
his dog
pipes.
or play on his shepherd
One
pipe.
day, as he sat
One
watching
day,
the sheep in
as
the
he sat
quiet
watching
forest
the sheep
and
in the
thinking what
quiet
he would do
forest
should
and think what he
what
would
he
do
would
should
he would
what
do should
he
see
would do
if
should
he's
see
he a wolf.
if he
Sat
a
on a
wolf.
plant to amuse himself.
Instead of plant amuse
His
himself.
master had told him to call
His
for
master
help
had told him
if
to
a
call
wolf
for help
attacked the
if a
flock,
wolf
and the
attacked
village
the flock,
would drive
and
it
the
away.
village
So
would
now,
drive it away.
though
So
he had
now,
not seen anything
though
that
he had
even looked
not
like a
seen
wolf,
anything that
he
even looked
ran
like a
towards
wolf,
the village,
he ran towards
shouting,
the village, shouting,
shouting at the top of his voice,
shouting at the
"Wolf!
top of his
Wolf!"
voice, "Woof, woof!"
And as expected,
And as
the villagers
expected,
heard
the
the cry,
villagers
dropped their work,
heard the
and ran
cry,
in
dropped
great
their work,
excitement to the
and ran in great excitement to the
pasture.
pasture.
But when they got there, they
pasture.
found that
But
boy
when they
double
got
up
there,
with the
they found
laughter
that boy
at the
double
trick
up
he
with
had
the
played in them.
laughter at the trick he had
A
played
few
in
days
them.
later, the
A few
shepherd
days
boy
later,
again
the
shouted,
shepherd boy
shouted,
again
"Wolf! Wolf!"
shouted, "Wolf,
Again, the
wolf!"
villagers
Again,
ran
the
to help him,
villagers
only to be laughed
ran
at
to
again.
help him, only to be laughed
Then
at
one
again.
evening, as
Then
the
one
sun was
evening,
setting behind the
as the sun
forest,
was setting
and the
behind the
shadows
forest,
were
and
keeping
the
out
shadows
over the
were keeping
pasture,
out over the
a
pasture,
wolf really did spring
a
from the
wolf really did
underbrush,
spring from the
underbrush,
underbrush,
and fall upon the
underbrush,
sheep.
and fall upon the
In
sheep.
terror, the boy,
In
the boy
terror,
ran toward
the
the
boy
village,
ran
shouting,
towards the village,
"Wolf, wolf!"
shouting,
But
"Woof, woof!"
to,
But
but
to,
though the villagers
but
heard the
though
cry,
the villagers
they
heard
did
the
not
cry,
run
they
to
did
help
not
him as
run
they had
to help
before.
him as they
He
had
cannot,
before. He
he
cannot,
cannot fool us again,
he cannot
they
fool us
said.
again,
The villagers
they
said.
said. The villagers said.
And the wolf killed a
And the
great
wolf
many of the
killed
boy's
a
sheep,
great
and they
many of the
slipped
boy's sheep,
away
and they slipped
in the
away
forest.
in the forest.
And
And
moral, liars
moral,
are not to live
liars are
even
not to believe even when
and
they
that's
speak
the
the
end
truth.
of the
And
story.
that's the end of the
Now,
story. Now,
and now for our
and
discussion.
now for our discussion.
We'll answer the
We'll
motive question
answer
that I
the
showed you a
motive
while
question
ago.
that I showed you a
What
while
did the
ago.
boy do to the
What did the
villagers?
boy do to the villagers?
Uh, Answer. Someone answer.
Answer. Someone answer.
That's
That's
someone answer. Ah, that's
someone
right.
answer.
The
That's
the
right.
boy lied to the
The boy
villagers that
lied to the
the wolf
villagers
came
that the
and
wolf
the village
came and ate the village
and eat the sheep
and eat
and
the
eat
sheep
sheep, no?
and it hit ships, no?
Next, and what
Next,
happened
and what
when the
happened
wolf then when the wolf really
then
came
when the wolf really
to
came
eat the sheep?
He ate the sheep.
He ate the
That's
wolf,
right. He ate the wolf,
some of his sheep.
some of his sheep. That's why. That,
That's why that
that's
that's
why
the sheep that
that's the sheep
that
that the
yun
that
ang ginawa ng wolf.
yun ang ginawa ng wolf.
Next,
Dumating siya.
who who are the
Next,
character in the story?
who are the character in the story?
Oh, someone raised their hand.
Oh, someone raised their hands.
Oh, that's right.
That's right.
Your answer is correct.
Your answer is
The
correct.
character in the story
The character
is
in the story
the
is
the wolf,
the wolf,
the wolf, some
the wolf,
the boy, and
the boy, and
the shepherd boy, and
the shepherd boy,
sheep
and
and
the
the villagers.
sheep and the
Your
villagers.
answer, your
Your
answer,
answer, your answer are all correct.
your answer are all
Your
correct.
answer are all correct.
And the next, why
And the
didn't the
next, why
villagers
didn't the
help the boy on the
villagers
third
help
time?
the boy on the third time?
Why didn't the villagers
Why
help the
didn't the
boy?
villagers help the boy?
Um,
Um,
because the
because the be-
because the villagers
because
thought
the
that
villagers
that the
thought
boy
that
is
that
fooling
the
them
boy
again.
is fooling
In
them
the third
again.
that
In the third
boy
time that the
shouted,
boy
no,
shouted,
they
no,
didn't come.
they didn't come.
When the third time that the
When the
boy
third time that the boy
shouted, they didn't help him now.
shouted, they didn't help him now.
They just do their own
They
squares
just do their
and
own squares and
and let him do their
let
own.
him do their own.
Next, and the last
Next,
question for our
and the last question
discussion:
for our
was the boy telling the truth
discussion:
for the third
was
time?
the boy telling the truth for
Yes,
the
that's
third time?
correct. He
Yes,
was
that's
telling
correct.
the truth. That's
He
why
was telling the truth.
he
That's why
seems like he
he
seems
seems
anxious, right?
like he seems
That
anxious,
because
right?
the sheep really came
That's
for the third
because
time,
the
and the
sheep really
villagers
came for the
didn't
third
help
time,
him.
and the
No
villagers
one
didn't help him.
can,
That's why
no
no
one
one
can,
can, no one can,
wala nang tumataboy sa mga sheep,
wala nang tumataboy sa mga
sa
sheep.
mga. That's
Sa
why
mga,
the wolf ate
that's why the
some
wolf
of his sheep
ate
because no one
some
can
of
help
his
him
sheep
now.
because no one can help him now. No one can save him.
And as for the moral of the
And as
story,
for the moral of the story,
as for the moral of the
as for
story,
the
you
moral of
have:
the story,
is
you
it
have:
okay to
is
lie
it
or
okay to
even for
lie
fun, even
or
you're
even
bored?
for
Is
fun,
it okay?
even you're
Give
bored?
me
Is it
thumbs up
okay to lie? Give me
for
thumbs up for
for your reactions.
for your
That's
reactions.
right.
That's right.
Correct. It's not
Correct.
okay to lie
It's
even
not
even
okay to
you're
lie
bored
even you're
because
bored because
it can cause
it can cause
bad.
bad
It's bad
because it's bad
even you're bored.
even you're bored.
And
And
how do you feel when someone
how
lies
do you
to
feel
you?
when someone lies to you?
That's right. You will get
That's
angry.
right. You will get
You will
angry.
get sad.
You will get
You will be
sad.
disappointed
You will be
because someone
disappointed
lied to you
because someone
just
lied
for
to you
fun, right?
just for
And
fun,
for
right?
me too,
And for me
I
too,
will feel that way.
I will feel that way.
And what happens if you
And
lie
what
a lot?
happens if you lie a lot?
Wha-
Wha-
That's right. Tama.
That's right. Tama.
If you lie a lot, no
If you
one
lie
will
a
believe
lot, no one
even
will
if
believe
you
you,
are
even
telling the
if
truth.
you are telling the truth.
So that's why
So that's
you will.
why
If
you
that's
will,
why
if that's why,
that's why
that's why,
that's why you
that's why
tell
you
the
have to
truth
tell the truth
always. Don't lie to
always.
others.
Don't lie to others.
And as for lesser
And
reminder,
for lesser
um,
reminder,
if
um,
you would keep lying, no
if
one will
you
believe
would
you
keep
even when
lying, no
you're
one
telling
will
the truth.
believe you
Let's
even
say
when
it
you're telling the
together.
truth. Let's say it
Say it
together.
slowly, one line at a
Say it
time, okay?
slowly, one line
If
at a time,
you
okay?
keep lying,
If
no
you
one will
keep
believe
lying,
you
no
even
one
when you're
will
telling the
believe you
truth.
even when you're
We must
telling the truth.
always be honest.
We must always
Okay,
be
we must
honest.
always be
Okay,
honest.
we must always be honest.
You must always be
You
honest.
must always be
Okay?
honest.
Let's
Okay?
clap for Aaron.
Let's clap for Aaron.
As for our mini
As for
activity,
our main
let's be creative.
activity, let's be creative.
Now I
Now I
Now, for our mini
Now,
activity,
for
I
our
want
mini
you to draw
activity,
your
I want
favorite
you
character
to
from the
draw your
story.
favorite character from the
It could be the
story.
wolf, boy, or
Could
the
be the
sheep, the
wolf,
villagers,
boy, or the
anything.
sheep, the villagers,
Just draw
anything.
something that you want.
Just draw something that you
And
want.
as for the
And
criteria, here
as
is
for
the
the
rubric for
criteria,
your
here is
activity.
the
Your
rubric for your
drawing.
activity, for
You
your
have three,
drawing.
two, one.
You have
For
3, 2,
creativity,
1. For
colorful and neat.
creativity, colorful and neat.
That's for three. That's
That's for
outstanding.
3.
Look
That's
like a
outstanding.
story characters.
Looks like a story, the
Explanation are
characters,
clear.
and the explanation
The
are
reason why
clear,
you choose
and
that.
the reason why
As
you choose that.
number two,
As
little
number 2,
plain, little plain, just
little bit plain,
no
just
color like that.
no color
Kind
like
of
that,
similar,
but
yung
kind of
makikita mo lang
similar
sa libro.
yung makikita mo lang sa
As
libro.
for your reason,
And
that's
you, as
just
for your reason,
basic. That's
that's
right.
just the basic. That's
And as
right.
for one,
And as
Zach,
for
just
1, Zach,
ordinary.
was
The,
ordinary.
the
The
drawing are rush or
the drawing
messy,
are rush or
and the
messy,
characters
and the
doesn't match
characters
the story.
doesn't
And
match
as
the
for your
story, and
explanation,
as for
no
your
reason.
explanation, no
That,
reason.
that's it for your
That's it for
criteria.
your criteria.
And after that,
And
you'll take
after
a
that,
picture of
you'll
your
take a
drawing
picture of your
and upload
drawing
it in our Google
and upload
Classrooms
it in our
or send
Google
it in
Classrooms
by
or send it
Messenger
in
by
by
tonight for our
Messenger
activity.
by tonight for our activity.
And tell me if you're
And
done.
tell me if you're done.
And our for
And our for
because
because
we will have a mini
we
quiz
will
for
have
today.
a mini
We
quiz
have
for
a
today.
a
We
multi
have a
choice.
mini quiz here. A multi
Mm,
mm,
just type a
just
just
type
type
a
your answer in the
just
chat.
type your answer
And
in the chat. Then
when you read the question
when you
here
read
in
the
the slide,
question here in the slides,
read each
read
question
read each question. We
carefully and answer it
carefully and
carefully.
answer it carefully. Ano to?
Then are you done?
Then done.
You're done with the
You're done with the
slides na ba?
next
Ayan.
slides na ba? Ayan, next slides na.
Ayan.
Ayan.
If you're done with our
If you're done with our quiz,
if you're done with our
if you're done with our quiz,
if you're done with our
if you're done with our quiz,
um
um,
done with our quiz,
if you're done with our quiz,
just send it to our
just send it to our
just submit into our
just submit into
Google
our
Classrooms.
Google
Take a picture,
Classrooms. Take a
or
picture,
you don't have
or if you don't have
can submit it in the
if
Google
you
Classroom,
can
just
submit
send
it
it
in the
into our
Google Classroom,
messenger
just send it
class
into
in
our
our
messenger
GC
class in our GC.
for is accessible.
For is successful.
And
And
before of course
before, of
we say
course,
goodbye to each
before
other,
we say
here's
goodbye to
your
each other,
assignment.
here's your assignment. Just a little
Write 3 to
write
5 sentences
three to
about
five
how
sentence
can
about
I be honest
how
at
can I
home
be
or in
honest at
school.
home or
Just write
in
a three
school.
to five
Just write a
sentence
3 to 5
and
sentence
take a photo
and
of your
take
answer
a
and
photo of your answer and
take no,
take
don't take a
no,
photo.
don't take a
Um,
photo.
tomorrow in our class,
Tomorrow in our
you will
class, you will
you will come
you will
you will
come
present it in our
you will
class
present it in
and
our class and
you will present it in
you
our
will
class.
present it
That's right.
in our class. That's right.
And that's all.
And that's
Thank
all.
you.
Thank you.
And please
And please
screenshot it just in case.
screenshot it just in case.
And let's end it with happy goodbye
And let's end it with
and
happy
great year.
goodbye in a
And thank you
and
and
great
see you
year. And
again.
thank you and see you
And great luck
again.
today, guys.
And great luck today, guys.
And thank you for
And thank you
listening to
for
our class. And
listening to our
you're
class.
a good
And you're a good
student. See you again tomorrow
student.
and
See you again
bye.
tomorrow and bye.
Bye.
Bye.